Well, Knauf Installation is actually one of the sponsors of this conference. We recognize the importance of the sectors, and especially when we look at building and the actual role they can play when we're talking about energy consumption, how making housing more affordability, reducing energy costs. So we're very happy to be part of this conversation with other stakeholders, with decision makers, members of parliament, commission, council people, and obviously civil society. We think it's very important that we hear all voices and that decisions are not made in silos. My key message would be actually two words. So access and predictability. So what do I mean by access? Access to information. First of all, most people, I think, are not aware of the benefits that they can get from renovation. Even if they do know, they don't actually necessarily know what programs they can tap into or how to go about it. Sometimes they don't have, most times they don't have the data to know how their building is actually performing. So helping them with measurable data so they can make informed decision about renovation and what is the best measure to take. Still on access to financing. That was a big topic today. What kind of resources are available, how to tap into those. I think those are two key issues: access to information and funding. And predictability, I think it's a complicated sector and we need predictability. We need to continue with the implementation of the EPBD. We need to make sure that there is stability in the market